contest.
Hang on there now.
Burping contest, man. Let's go. Oh, I can't get one out now. Oh, that's a clever one. Damn it, you're beating me!
I almost threw up then.
Better. Go up.
You don't need to burp.
Oh, oh fuck you!
Oh.
I still need you. I'm running out.
You're going to need a bit left. That was Blake.
It's kind of drawing at the moment. I'm not very good at it. Alright, hang on. I will get one.
Breathe.
Oh, fucking hell, mate!
Breathe in deep. And then belch.
I can't get any more. I need another drink. Wait! Oh. Just missed you. Wait.
Well, that ain't gonna work.
Shut up!
Where's that seat?
Okay, you win.
And that is our burping contest. Who won? No, who won? Gotta say who won. Who won?
Draw.
Okay, it was a draw. No, thank you.
Part 2 when we're on alcohol.
We'll do one in part 2. Friday.
Oh, you do it on the right.